Hello and welcome to my channel Funders of Price Action. This is the daily chart of GBPCAD. GBPCAD had this resistance and now it is being rejected from here. Though still it will need to make a downward setup, but as I see this market, what my experience is, what my strategy is, that this is not the breakout of this resistance. This is the rejection, because for breakout we needed even a wick above this level, but this is clear rejection. And the second thing that I want to let you know is the my volumic strategy. For this, let us see first here. This is price action. The resistance is not broken, but it is being rejected from here. And for second, let us go to the, we need to watch this MT4. Now watch here. If you I am able to show you, because I was setting, but I will show you in the with the data. Now let me clear chart auto scroll. Now let us see the days volume. These are the days volume. This day volume is lot more, but even this day volume is also bigger from those volumes from that the market went up. For example, what example? Let us see it. We see here that maximum volume days are these, but this is the volume that is the second bigger, not the first bigger volume to the upward side where this pair is being rejected from. These are the low volumes. This is the line. This volume is high but doesn't even touch, and the daily volumes that we have are bigger here, and the pair is being rejected from here. So I think this will make a downward setup. Now let us see this on 4-hour time frame, and let me now put the chart auto scroll. As we could see now here, this is the 4-hour doji. It shows the clear rejection according to my analysis. And let us see what market makes the setup, but this shows the clear rejection. And let us see what happens next. And let us see 15 minutes. This is the highest 15 minutes around here, because this shows the level volume shows the level of when the volume is exerted, it shows the rejection. But still we will need to see the setup that is according to my swing trading strategy, in which price action makes the higher, then breaks down the downward high or down, whatsoever is previous down, when the market breaks the previous, and that setup is when made. I will make a video on that, and please like this video, subscribe my channel, and I will be coming with the next video. And let us see this on the trading view also, because now we are on trading view. Now here, this is the rejection, and what support we are expecting now. we will, if this, I think this is not breakout, but if this were the breakout, we would be expecting the retest of this support. But now we need to break this resistance, at least this resistance, to go downward. So please subscribe my channel, like my this video. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.